Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use WordPress for e-commerce websites. Start by installing WooCommerce and picking a fast, responsive theme. Configure payments, taxes, and shipping, then add products with clear images and descriptions. Focus on checkout simplicity, mobile testing, and SSL setup for customer trust. Use extensions for subscriptions, bookings, or advanced shipping when needed, and keep plugins updated for performance and security throughout. Setting up payments and shipping is essential and less scary than it sounds. Enable SSL, add Stripe or PayPal, and test transactions with real responses. Create shipping zones and map rates to product weight or location, and offer free shipping thresholds to increase conversion. Configure taxes for regions you sell to and show them at checkout so customers aren't surprised. Regularly test checkout flows and logging to catch problems early. Quick recommendation: if you work late building your WordPress store, save time with leak-proof containers for meal prep. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and simplify lunch packing so you can focus on product uploads and marketing. I like using them for portion control and saving prep time on busy days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Product pages are where visitors become buyers, so make each one count. Use short, benefit-driven titles and descriptions, include 2 to 8 high-quality images, and add a clear price and stock level. Show shipping times, return policy, and any guarantees near the buy button to reduce hesitation. Include reviews and related products to boost average order value, and run a /B tests on images and calls to action for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.